Hey guys, my name's Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Dell Latitude 7480. I'm going to show you how to open it up, access your Wi-Fi card in case you want to replace it or upgrade it. So first things guys, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're going to flip it over and access your bottom case screws. Now you have 3 screws here on the left, 3 on the right, and 2 near the center. Once you get all those screws out, you're going to take a small, flat pry tool. I prefer plastic pry tools because they scratch less than metal. And you're going to go around the computer, around the seam, and pry the bottom case off of the computer. Be sure not to put your pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Keep it on the edge and gently but firmly be patient and go around, even if you have to go around a couple times. But once you get that bottom case off, guys, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. One thing that I choose to do, guys, before doing anything inside a computer is I either remove or I unplug my battery. It just makes the computer safer to work on touching things. So the first thing I'll show you is how to unplug this battery. So here's your battery, and because we undid the screws in the bottom case, there are no screws holding in this battery. Those were the bottom case screws. So all that's left to take this up now is to grab this black pull tab on the battery plug right here and pull it straight up and out of the computer. That will unplug your battery and your battery can then be removed. Okay, so after removing or unplugging your battery, we're safe to proceed deeper into the computer. As another side note, guys, when I'm working on a computer in my shop, I have it sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet go a long way to help you not damage anything in your computer. If you need help with any tools or supplies for your computer project, in addition to any replacement or upgrade parts for the Latitude 7480, including RAM, solid-state drive, any other components, there'll be a link above, also below in the description, that give you a list of all these replacement upgrade parts, as well as the tools needed to access them. Okay, so here's your Wi-Fi card right here on the left. You'll see these white and black wires that run down from the hinge assembly down here, and they snap onto the Wi-Fi card. Those are your antenna wires. So those just snap right on top, but they're underneath this metal guard. So guys, when you remove this single screw right here, you'll not only release the Wi-Fi card, but you'll remove this metal guard. And then you can snap up those wires. You can take them off of the Wi-Fi card. But that's fairly easy, pretty straightforward, easy way to get at your Wi-Fi card in this computer. So that's the video, guys. If you have any questions, please check out the FAQs below in the description. It could save you some time getting an answer. If you do need to leave me a question or comment, though, I do try to get to those at least a couple times a day. And again, guys, remember, for any replacement parts or tools needed for this model computer, check out the link below for a list of those items. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.